Okay, in today's video we will be pulling the bolt-ons off of td42. Stay tuned. Alright, I'll lift her up and drop the oil. Like it's meant to be. Oh, this just to get the fucking oil out the motor. Alrighty, so we'll start off, we'll dump the oil filters, take the front assembly off, so power steering, alternator and aircon pump, and then we'll take the exhaust manifold and flywheel and clutch off. That's probably as much as we're going to take off. Alright, so we're cleaning our drum out. See if we got any flaky bits in there.
Do you know, or you want me to do it?
You want to do it?
I can do it.
Yeah.
So you get the oil like...
Just push it in when you're pulling it out at the same time. Might not get as much on your hands.
Tight.
Yeah, I know it's tight. That's why I had to get you to hold the motor. I kept trying to crank it and it just turned the fucking motor. Look at that, mate. Professional.
Didn't even get a drop of oil.
Look at that. Look at that. The shorts come in handy.
Couldn't say that's a first.
Yeah. Right. We'll let that drain. We'll do the filters and see how that goes. Boom.
I think I've done it once since I've been really. Got Kev to do it because he had the car anyway. So.
That filter's dry.
Dry.
Yeah.
That ain't good.
It should at least have oil in it. Alright, so the oil filters are off, but I've never pulled a TD out that didn't have oil. That didn't have oil in it, and that had bugger oil in it. So that's weird, in my opinion, so I'm not sure. Just don't drop it in the oil. Alright, so clutch is off. Doesn't actually look too bad. Heap of life left in it. Little bit of discoloration, but not bad at all, really. Same goes for the flywheel. Easily enough to get machined. It's still got the original machine marks in it. Get it down too. Yeah, alternator's off. Yeah.
Yeah. Just put all the bolts and shit in yourself and label everything. I'm every fucking 15.
Air compressor.
Put this plug back in the sump and sit it on the fire. It's just really easy by the top. Yeah, it is. Slowly. So consistent. Yeah. That's my. Woo! Fucking hell, that was tight. Disconnected. Yo, should be right. Yeah. I'm trying to do all the rounds. Steve. Hello. What the fuck is going on? Yo, what's going on? Moments. Yeah. I don't even know the rest of this job, mate. I'm up at. Probably the quickest removal of exhaust for that. This bloody thing would start moving. Alright, mate. Oh, yeah, I lived. As he gets about fucking 6 washes him in the face. Alright, turbo's off. Better pick this shit up before I fucking lose it.
the world. I flip the script just like an acrobatic, bringing in them hits. You would've thought that we had bad in practice. Hip hip hooray! Hit the lotto, now my pocket's fatter. Give me a little space, promise mama I'ma take the challenge. Hey, took my chance, the dice roll, let me slide in. Welcome y'all to my show, bout to begin. This the time I go viral, so let me just shimmy shimmy all the way until I pop off. Look, I'm tired of excuses and secrets. Keep my head up and know this ain't easy. So grab your popcorn bags and relax. I'ma shimmy shimmy all the way until I pop off. Shimmy shimmy, gimme just a couple millies. To my family, cop a Bentley, never flop like belly. Hit my celly, acting petty, see the people around me. I don't think they'll miss me, Lord forgive me, and my girl so pretty. Such a hard time to go unwind, flying autopilot. I've been down bad in the sunshine, but I can't describe it. You got aimbot when you name drop, don't tell me lies. It's always very subtle, no rebuttal. Step aside because I took my chance, the dice roll, let me slide in. Welcome y'all to my show, bout to begin. This the time I go viral, so let me just shimmy shimmy all the way until I pop off. Look, I'm tired of excuses and secrets. Keep my head up and know this ain't easy. So grab your popcorn bags and relax. I'ma shimmy shimmy all the way until I pop off. Pop off, not hearing you talking that blah blah. I'm in my prime like haha, getting ready to swing like Top Golf. You're not that guy, better stand by, you'll only make it worse. Been grown since birth, get a picture for the memories, I won't pretend to be nobody else.
I'll do that shimmy shimmy through every night and day, and I will not be stopped, no matter what they say. All the times I get knocked down can only make me stronger, because I wake up every day and I strive for stronger.
Hey, took my chance, the dice roll, let me slide in. Welcome y'all to my show, bout to begin. This the time I go viral, so let me just shimmy shimmy all the way until I pop off. Took my chance, the dice roll, let me slide in. Welcome y'all to my show in the top 10. I'll bet it all for the title, so let me just shimmy shimmy all the way until I pop off. Look, I'm tired of excuses and secrets. Keep my head up and know this ain't easy. So grab your popcorn bags and relax. I'ma shimmy shimmy all the way until I pop off.
Alright, so everything's been labelled. Got your all in bags, clutch, all the clutch bolts in there. Got your aircon with your 3 bolts in there. Your exhaust manifold studs, washers and nuts. Power steering, big long bolt, too small, and then all your water pump assembly and bolts. It's all ready to go. As I said before, just got to strap it down. Probably do that later on. But yeah, cheers for sticking through and watching. If you have, like and subscribe. It means a shitload to me, and doesn't mean I'm out here doing all this for nothing. Not that it really matters anyways, I quite like it. Alright, cheers guys. Can confirm that is very odd. Called a very reputable mechanic in our area, and he said the same as what I thought, was the oil pump might have shit itself, hence why the bearing let go.